One of our plumbers dropped a piece of pipe, it bounced off the top of his ladder and went right through a customer's window in a doorway that goes from their basement to their garage. So we've come out here today to try to play carpenter and fix a broken window. They have a hidden room built into their bookshelf. This lower edge is the sharp edge. You could literally just squeeze the trigger. I shouldn't have done that. Got a little Milwaukee pin nailer here. Never used it before. I don't know if it's actually shooting or not. There's no safety on it. You could literally just... That's kind of sketchy. As you can see, there is no window in here. We always leave things as good or better than we found them, so now we get to replace this piece of glass. It's already trying to break. First one's the hardest one. Now, clean all that out really well. I'm willing to bet we don't even have to pull that top one. We can probably just slide the glass in and up. While looking for light switches to try to get some lights on down here, I found a hidden room. And here's the lock for it. So you could like lock yourself into this room. Maybe. There we go. Yep. Pretty cool. You need to actually push these nails back out without breaking. Classic Ace Hardware to the rescue. They cut us a piece of glass. You probably didn't hear that. It's soundproof glass. See? And now you can hear me. Let's see if I can get this slid up in there. Cool. This was the edge they cut. This lower edge is the sharp edge. So we just set this in there and then we just shoot nails in it, I guess. There was a lot of mob activity a long time ago in Kansas City. I've been in customers' homes before where they have something like this, a room that goes under another part of the house, and when you get in there, there's actually tunnels to the neighboring houses. Did it put a nail in there? I don't know if it did. Yeah, I can see the end of the nail. Man, that is a tiny nail. So a lot of nail guns, you have to push in on the end. They have like a safety. Well, this one, the only safety is this little lever here. And when you see the lights come on whenever you flip it down. So you flip that down and it's ready to go. There's nothing you have to push here. So like, you could literally just squeeze the trigger. I shouldn't have done that. I don't know where it went, but I'm glad I didn't just break our window. This is the one I gotta be careful of because it's cracked. Now it doesn't rattle. How about that? And we're done. And that is how you leave a customer's house better than you found it, even when you make a mistake. You make it right. This is a seldom used tool, so we'll just put it back in the box. The nails are even in there, so the next time we break a window or the next time we need it, we've got it. And that's it.